Beautiful Costa Rica mornings. Get it? Beautiful ones. Hater. Good morning.
Morning, people.
So today we are doing a hike to La Leona Waterfall. And what's the name of the place? Curacao.
I don't know. You gonna have to tell us.
We in Curabanda. I don't know. It's a small town.
Curabanda.
Something. But yeah. So we're gonna take y'all along on the adventure. Apparently this waterfall was found just 4 years ago, so it's fairly new, which I'm excited about.
Yeah, they found it during the pandemic when they had nothing to do and they were just exploring the island, well not the island, the rainforest. And yeah, so they found the rainforest, now everybody's going crazy. And we are one. I just want to see it.
Yeah, I'm excited. So we'll see y'all later. It's cold. YouTube on the tube. Here we are. It's a little deep, but not too deep. Citronella, straight off the tree.
You gotta tell your story.
Y'all, we have made it back from the waterfall hike.
Y'all. Explain.
It was crazy. Like, it was crazy, but like I would totally do it again. I wasn't expecting it to be as difficult as it was, I guess because it really was the rocks and the water and the just everything.
It wasn't difficult in the way y'all thinking. Like, when you think of a hike and you think levels of difficulty, you think like you're tired, your legs, you're breathing. Not that kind of difficult. It was just like mentally difficult.
Yeah. We climbing ladders, we having to pull ourselves against the current of the water. Like, it was like a full body workout.
And because it just rained like a lot, so the current is stronger, it's more water than usual. We're a small group, it's newly discovered, so like not really, we haven't mastered how to navigate it, so we just kind of going with the flow kind of thing. But still we'll do it again though. So she got some more wounds, so.
Yes,
She got hers bruised. I have some, but yours bruised more.
That looks terrible.
Does it hurt?
No. That's from the rope. Me pulling myself on the rope.
I got one too.
Yeah, you kind of red right there.
It's raised, but it don't hurt.
Yeah. Got scratches and bump on my face. Pura vida.
But you gonna see what it was worth. Y'all tell us if it was worth it.
Yeah, let us know.
I say so, but I don't know. Maybe it's because I was in the trenches.
Maybe, but anywho, hope y'all enjoy. Make sure to subscribe before leaving this video, and we'll chat with y'all soon.